It has been raining since yesterday consistently, and today, this morning, Sunday, is pretty windy in Southern California. Well, I kind of like it. It's pretty nice. My God, it looks good. It's fresh. Finally, we get some rain here in Southern California. My neighbor, Lime Tree. That's my guava tree. I trimmed it down a little bit. Same with this persimmon. I trimmed them as well. I think I'm gonna grow an apple tree. I went to Home Depot yesterday and they grabbed 5 different apples into this rootstock, so I think I'm gonna plant it. I'm gonna take out my it is my tree color. Not really eat it or anything, you know. So probably gonna put it over there. Well, happy rainy day from Southern California. See you later.